Good evening, everybody, and thank you for having us in tonight. We begin our coverage in Makaha. Firefighters are still on scene monitoring a brush fire that broke out late this afternoon. And after burning for several hours, the fire is under control, but residents say they were and still are on edge as we're right here in the thick of summer. Bryce Moore with the latest details.
13 HFD ground crews and 2 helicopters helped keep the flames away from homes in Makaha Valley, but the smoke and ash still came too close for comfort for some.
So we got running upstairs and look, and we took some pictures, and we could see the flame up there. You see that tree right there? Behind that one, we could see the flame. And I said, I hope it's not gonna pass that house right there.
Residents close to where flames broke out around 2 p.m. feeling thankful for those helicopters in bone-dry Makaha.
I saw the flames. It was real high, you know. It tripped me out, so I got on my scooter and came up the hill. But we get the rain, but we need something real bad now. We need some rain bad. You see how dry it is, brother.
Now, it is extremely dry out here in Makaha, as well as most western regions of neighbor islands. Now, I'm 6 feet tall, so as you can see, there is plenty of fuel for a fire. Officials reminding residents to be proactive and stay prepared. Evacuations were not issued, but fire officials recommend having an emergency go bag ready and add making a plan to safely get out of the home before an emergency is critical to survive when one strikes. The Nanakuli Ma'ili Neighborhood Board Chair says taking steps around your home is crucial as well.
Mitigate the fuel loads in our yards, so clean up all your dead leaves, clean up all the brush, don't pile up, get rid of any abandoned tires. I mean, we can do what we can do to prepare in our residential areas.
Fire officials say 35 acres, about the size of 26.5 football fields, were involved in the fire, but no homes were threatened. Residents grateful winds were mostly blowing away from structures.
Depending on the way the wind was blowing, you know, it can really hit residents like that. And so thankfully, Mother Nature was working in our favor where the wind wasn't blowing towards the residents.
The latest U.S. drought monitor map shows moderate or severe drought throughout all of Hawaii's western coasts except the Big Island. At last check, the Makaha fire is somewhere between 90 and 100% contained. Bryce Moore, KHON2 News, working for Hawaii.